How to delete all saved videos on TikTok. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to delete all saved videos on TikTok. The first step is to open the TikTok application on your device, just like you can see here. Once the app opens, you will land on the home page. From here, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your account. On this page, you will find several tabs, such as Posts, Likes, and Saved Videos. Tap on the Saved Videos section. When the page loads, you will see all the videos you have saved to your account. Now, TikTok currently does not offer a direct option to delete or unsave all videos at once, but you can remove them manually. To do this, open any saved video, and on the right-hand side, you will see the Save icon. Tap on it, and the video will be unsaved immediately. You need to repeat this process for each video until all are removed from your saved list. Although this may take a bit of time if you have many videos, it is the only way to unsave them one by one. If you want a quicker option and don't mind starting fresh, you could choose to delete your TikTok account completely and create a new one, but that will remove all your posts, followers, and activities, so only use that method if you are ready to reset your account entirely. The process is straightforward and simple if you follow the steps carefully. I hope this tutorial has helped you solve the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! That is how to delete all saved videos on TikTok.